Hello YouTube, WJ Sandy Dad here, and today we're going to see if we can fix the squeak that you just heard in the roll-up door. Now, as I understand it, there's a spring on that side, and mine seems to be quiet right now. And then there's a spring inside on that side that probably needs to be lubricated. So we're going to climb up there and see what we find. So you can see in there that spring is really rusty. So I'm going to start with some rust penetrating spray on it rather than white lithium. If your spring is not all rusty like that, you can probably get away with silicone or white lithium spray on it. But that's looking like I need some rust penetrating, so that's what I'm going to use. And that's what I'm talking about. The brand is WD-40, but this is not WD-40. This is a rust penetrator and a white lithium grease. You can see that didn't help. So I'm going to hit it with some white lithium now and see if we get this thing quieted down, because I'm afraid something's going to snap in there the way it's making noise right now. See if that helps. So as you can see, it's definitely getting better. I'm hoping that spring is just not too far gone, because it is awfully rusty. I'm going to go ahead and hit the other side just to make sure, see if that makes any difference too. So listen now how much improved it is. Makes a little bit of a squeak on starting and stopping, but it's already, I can't even put a percentage on how much better it is. I mean, it was literally difficult to move. It had gotten so bad, and now it's much easier to move it up and down. And I imagine the more I do this, the quieter it's going to get as that oil spreads in between all those coils and everywhere else where metal is touching metal. So, lesson learned, I need to do this periodically as maintenance as well to keep that from getting rusty in the first place. Obviously I bought this used, so I don't know what, if anything, was done prior to me getting it, but I want to make sure it lasts as long as possible.